In this video, I'll show you how to request a review for a rejected Facebook ad in 2026. First, sign into your Meta business account on your desktop and open Ads Manager. Next, go to the Ads section and locate the ad that was rejected. After that, click on the rejected ad to view the rejection details. Meta will show the reason why the ad was not approved. Now, review the policy violation message carefully. If you believe the ad complies with Meta's advertising policies, you can request another review. Next, click See Details and then select Request Review. After that, confirm your request. Meta will submit the ad for a manual review by its team. Now, wait for the review process to be completed. This can take some time depending on the volume of requests. Next, monitor the ad status in Ads Manager. If the review is successful, the ad will be approved and begin running automatically. Finally, if the ad is rejected again, review the policy explanation and make any necessary changes before submitting the ad once more. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request a review for a rejected Facebook ad in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.